Hi, my name is Gerard Lange. Everybody calls me Flacky. It starts with firearm proficiency training at an accredited training center like Pumar, where you learn both the theoretical and practical aspects of handling firearms. Once completed, you apply for a competency certificate at SAPS, which verifies your background, training and suitability. With competence in hand, you can purchase a firearm from a licensed dealer. After purchase, you lodge a firearm license application linked to that firearm with SAPS, which includes a motivation and supporting documents. Once granted, you can collect your firearm license. Licenses are valid for varying periods, usually 5 to 10 years depending on section, and must be renewed before expiry.